4 hours for 3 days, 12 hours a week, 48 hours in a month. We're going to cover a lot of technologies, but I'm super excited to just dive deep into the little gritty and show you just what you can do. The first one that we're going to use is something called the terminal. Okay, Nelly, what is the terminal? Hi, my name is Nelly Sugu, and I want to welcome you all to Coding ZeroTo100, the channel where everybody can learn to code, even if you're total beginners or you've already acquired some knowledge. Today, I want to talk about the technologies that we will use when we're building our first portfolio website from scratch. In previous videos, I've told you about what people build for the first time when they come to my classes. They build a full-blown portfolio website from scratch using HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, CSS Media Query, CSS Flexbox, and they put together this beautifully looking portfolio that showcases their work, their projects, what they do in a super mobile-friendly, responsive way. Now, today, I want to jump into the nitty-gritty technologies that are behind what we're going to do in 1 month. For people that have Windows, I want you to go to Google and Google something called Git Bash. Git Bash download Windows. Once you go there, you will see this link, Git Windows. You just type that in, click that, download it on your Windows. Once it's downloaded, click it, install it, click next, 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 next. Now, once you downloaded it, click that Windows button and type in Git Bash. As soon as you see that icon, click it. For those people that have Macs, I want you to command space and type in terminal. You will bring up your terminal. The terminal is the way that most web developers use to manipulate folders, what they call directories and files and whatnot. Right now, I can look at where I am. And people, usually you're used to doing File Explorer and stuff like that. Here, I know I'm on my user Nelly's Mac. And over here, I can say, all right, now I'm just going to go to my desktop. This is how you change folders. So desktop, boom. Now on this desktop, I can look at what folders I have. I clear this and it clears my screen. I look at the folders and the files that I have on my desktop, boom, boom. LS, that's for list. And then you can see these, for instance, these, like this right here, this is the same folder that I have here, okay? Now, the craziest thing here, you can actually create brand new folders. This command right here, mkdir, that is what you use to create brand new folders. Right now, I can say first web page. Watch what happens here. Once I click this, boom, look at this. It just created the folder. And just like if I click here, you will see that basically I have nothing in it, right? You can see that I have no files, nothing in here, right? Again, I could just go CD, first web page, click it, and it's as if I just clicked here, and now I'm in this folder. What can I do from here? Oh my gosh, there's so much you can do. Over here, you can do things like create a brand new file. Watch this. I can say create a brand new file. To create a brand new file, that's your command right here. Touch. To touch, that you create the brand new file. And you put the file name. So for instance, in this file, in the file name that I'm going to create, I'm going to call it index and .html. And when you see index.html, those are the files that you create to build HTML. If you don't know what HTML is, go check my video that I posted before talking about HTML, CSS. Now, when I hit enter here, watch what happens over there. Look at this. Boom, look at that. It's just an index HTML. And I'm telling you, it's insane. This right here is, you can open this in Chrome. Look at this. I right click this. If you have Chrome, I want you to use Chrome. If you don't have it, download Google Chrome. Right click this, open with. I want to go to Google Chrome. And it does not look crazy fancy, but I'm telling you, this is a website. It's just brand new, empty, but we can put things in there. I promise. And that is the command line. The command line, the terminal, you use it to create files and folders and navigate through files. Over here, I could create another file, touch, let's say styles.css. Boom. As you can see, styles.css just pulls up. And again, this is the terminal. This is the command line tool. That to clear, you cleared that. Some of the commands that I covered was mkdir to create the folder. And the other command that I covered was cd. cd, that's how you change folders. That's how you change directories. The D or dir is directory. So for instance, if I wanted to go back to my desktop here, I would just say cd ... to say go back, ... go back. All right, cd ... go back one directory. Once I hit this, you will see that since my first web page, if you look at this, my first web page is on my desktop, you will see that the desktop will appear on the second line. Boom, now my desktop appears. Go back to first page, first web page, boom, and now first web page appears. How do you see what you have? AKA, how do you list, LS, list. You do LS, you hit enter, boom, now you see what you have here. That's the terminal. That is the command line tool. And again, if you are interested, if you think this is cool, I think this is dope. I think this is cool. If you're interested in this kind of stuff, hit me up, like, subscribe, comment, share. And if you really want to learn, if you love learning when you're guided by somebody that's really passionate about this stuff, I'm your guy. Check out my website, Coding ZeroTo100, and sign up for my classes coming up February 2020. Taking 15 students, and it's $100 a week for 4 weeks. That's $400 a month. Will you invest $400 in yourself? Again, I'm Nelly, and I'm coming back with more videos. Keep in touch. Stay tuned to this channel. Out.